filming now?
No. I don't know if you want me to film a car valve.
We tried to use this automotive spring checker because I bought it for using these low lift applications like you have, and we have a problem. They don't fit on this side. They don't fit on this side. Now I'm not sure if I can cut that enough to make it go all the way down to here. Do you think I can cut that short to make it work?
Yeah.
I can cut that a little bit bigger, maybe. It doesn't work. So these things are a joke. So I still don't know what you use this for. It's worthless. And this one over here is for Evos because it's tall. It's too short to use on anything important. And it has the same issues. It doesn't work on this side, so you can't use it for Harley. And this side over here, it's even worse than the last one.
Mm-hmm.
Looks good on Evo bikes because they're like a car when they're made. But for real Harley, it's worthless. They don't work at all. So we have to use our old style spring checker. What's that?
Spring.
There you go. It's called a spring. You're pretty smart. Yeah, I got another spring. Okay, which one goes where? You know which head goes which?
Ones that say F go on the front head, and the ones that say R go on the rear head.
Yeah, but these aren't marked yet.
Oh.
Okay, we need 1,410 install height, and we need 170 by 192 on the other end. So this is 170. I think we checked this the other night, but I don't remember.
Yeah.
So we just double check. So where's 170 at? There's 150. Down there, that's 20. Go down 150 more is 170, right? And a little extra because I can't see. Okay, this one was over on the 190. So that's close to 200, right? Let me go 200. Are they hitting yet?
Don't look like it.
Must be good. Okay, so we're good to go on that. Okay, now we look at our overall install height. 520, 510, 15. 520. Another 20. Okay, so all four are pretty close to the same height. I think this was the lowest one. So I'm going to check this one. Okay, the lowest one means we're going to use the intake spring out of this one. Okay, it goes right there. This must be the lower one we're using. Spring it in. Taller. Pretty high tension there, sir.
Run with it.
That might float at high RPM. 1,515. See that? Can you see that?
No.
How about in the camera? Not even close. The camera skills suck. Let me get closer there. So what do you got? About 515. What do you need?
170? What did you say? 1,410.
We have what?
115?
510.
510.
And the difference is?
One
what?
1,000?
No.
Oh, I don't know.
100 of those.
100?
100. Tenth of an inch too much. So that means you got to put a lot of shims under these. Or we got to do something else. What else can we do? opened yet.
Because you were waiting to use them just for this application. A little thicker.
These are Crane.
Mmm.
Brand new sealed package. I think there used to be some springs attached to these at one time. So we can try these. Maybe it'll do what we need. You guys set this open yet? I'll use a Harley collar. I'm thinking your S&S stuff is no good.
No bueno?
No boiny. Alright, we're gonna go find something else to use. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. How's the camera? You're not doing a very good job.
It's good. It's doing great. I can't tell you turned the other way.
Okay. What are these?
Ah, shit.
These are Crane. Did I get interrupted again?
Crane collar.
Give me a phone over there. I can't tell you. I got some callers here. Did you call me? Hello. Yes. All right, we're back. More interruptions. Okay, this collar is a little bit lower than this collar. So hopefully it's not more than $100,000 difference. If it is, we're screwed. Where's my spring? Can we just do this?
Yeah, but it's a little different part.
Oh.
So it's going to have a different outcome. And it's going to work in our favor.
You sound like you think that might happen. What I don't like is the fitment of the parts. That kind of sucks. Alright. Damn, it's 410.
Right on the money. That's what we needed.
The disadvantage is you mix and match of parts, you don't seem to like each other.
And that's some different little.
It'd be nice if they were a little bit bite a little bit better than this. It's usable. They're not good, but they're not real bad either. But considering how bad most of the stuff is these days. Okay, these look like they're manly, but I don't know whose these are. I need some keepers. Get in my way. Need some parts. Okay. Okay, here's some cheapo V-twin. Sifton brand, yeah, fuck you. V-twin. Okay, where's my kibble? All this Eastern stuff does not work for anything. So here are some valve keepers for something. These are for a 45. Those don't work. Where's my good stuff at? These are real sifting ones here. These are the real siftings. Not that fake crap. I don't know my kibble white stuff. Looks like I'm missing a few things. Ooh, there's a bag full of something. Oh, there it is. Were you missing that washer?
Yeah, that's what I was looking for all along.
Yeah, I thought that was it. So here's some Manleys. Manly. These are old. What year were these made in?
89. 89? 89.
They might work. Alright. I'm gonna find my kibbles. I had some kibbles somewhere. Missing. What else we got here? 45. I'd have pulled a bunch of this crap out for you already. Lower collars.
I don't think so.
Here's some more Manleys. Lower steel collars. Here's some valve keepers.
Maybe those aren't.
They're not as vintage as
I
this.
was gonna say, those look a little more modern.
Yeah. All right. You like modern ones?
I like ones that work.
These are almost same year as your bike. What year's your bike?
78.
Yeah, these are older. How about these piece of crap sifting? Surprisingly, these actually do work on some applications. I'm pretty shocked. They actually do kind of work sometimes. The problem is you never know what that sometime is, though.
You just gotta try it.
What are you filming?
Oh yeah, your hands are somewhere in there.
Someone in there?
The top parts of them.
Top parts of it?
Getting more of that nice sweater.
A custom sweater?
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's even worse.
You don't like that?
No.
Oh.
Throw the sifting and
I told you they work sometimes.
Yeah.
This is not sometimes.
That's not so, yeah. I'm thinking that vintage set of Manleys is gonna work there.
These look like Manly already, though.
Hmm.
You know, once I open these, they won't be original anymore. I've been saving these for a special
Since '89.
for a special application.
This is special.
Are you sure?
It is to me.
Okay, that's close enough then. Surprised the plastic still is plastic too, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's going to go back in that hole. Just want to come out. There it is. It looks like the same manufacturer.
It's gonna be just slightly different. And it's gonna be the fit we need.
It's tighter.
I'll trade you for my modern set for your vintage.
Yeah, but I don't know who made yours.
Manly.
Yeah, they still have the same issues. Only moves on one side. Yeah, I don't think there's much difference. I'm getting the high spots worn in.
Ah, yeah. Couple thousand miles.
Yeah, I think they're about the same. It's hard to tell. They're such a good fit, it's hard to tell. Overall, they move about the same rock, but they feel tighter when you put them in. They don't lock in, though. Alright. Do they install a different height? That'll be the kicker.
See, they fit pretty snug.
No, they don't. You're just saying that because you want it to be done and go together. And we lost 10 thou though. I don't like that. We lost more than that actually. See, it's hard to tell because it depends on which way the rocking goes. About 390. I don't like the install height as much. I don't think they're going to help you that much.
Alright. Well,
Now they've been disturbed.
there.
Who am I going to sell them
Put
to
them
now?
put them back to sleep.
Who's going to want them?
Oh, anybody's gonna want them. They're
Okay, somewhere around I got some kibble whites floating around. I don't know where they're at. Where'd you put those?
I have no idea.
Me either. Okay, we're going to go on a great valve keeper hunt. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. Says I got to set the stock somewhere, I can't find them. What a shocker. I got these nice Andrews blue collars though. How about these?
Those are pretty.
They're almost the same color as your bike or my sweater. Yeah, close enough. I'm thinking these are the same as S&S. Do you think S&S makes them for the crane?
Those look a little thinner than S&S.
No, they look at the same damn one. Of course, they all look about the same. I wouldn't be surprised if this crane or Andrews makes this stuff for S&S. They look identical. But you know what the big difference is? These are a lot cheaper, like half the price.
Which one?
Than S&S. All right. So what are we gonna do? Put it together, I think you said?
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna push forward.
We're gonna just get it done.
Get it done.
Whether it's gonna work or not, we don't care.
No.
Okay, sir. How clean are these heads?
Pretty clean.
Valves look clean. Did you clean all this stuff at least one more time?
Yes, I did.
Okay, what about two more times?
No.
Oh, shit. So they might be dirty still?
No.
No? Sure about that?
I cleaned it twice.
Okay. Alright, so, what was the next thing we got to check? How much cam lift did you have? 520. Here's your seal. So we're going to go with this now?
Yes. That got us our 410 we needed.
Well, that was our minimum number. 450 would have been fine. 510 though is a little bit too much. I can run the old collar and put a shim in there. Want to do that?
No.
Sure.
Yeah, let's just run the right color.
In case you accidentally rev it up. Racing some Evo. Or racing twin cam bike. Okay, we only got 630-ish. We need more room. Okay, so where's our valve seals? Where's your gasket set?
I know you got them around here somewhere. I know those kibbles are going to pop up. You watch.
So we're going to use this low profile seal because it's lower than the regular ones. That's why I like these ones. They fit better. So these are 100th thou thicker than what you got. So you got that much there. Look at that. See, it's only 100th thou thicker past the inside. The only problem is this lip pooches up about 50. So you need about 150. So 150 plus your number, what? What was your number? $520? What's that?
What's that?
150 on 520.
What is it? 6.
Yeah.
No. 570?
No. 520 plus 150 is not 570.
Oh.
We can go with 670 though if you want.
Yeah.
You should have a little extra clearance. We need like 700. So we need 700 thousandths clearance from the top of the guide to the bottom of the keeper. So, bottom of the retainer actually, not the keeper. So when I measured this over here, what did I have? Do you remember? Did you forget?
6.
Oh, geez. Paperwork problem.
6 something.
Look at that paperwork issue we got over there. Look at that paperwork issue on the floor. That's our new filing system. That's how we keep track of the bills around here. Okay, so if we stick this right here and measure it, we got about 640 to 650. But it's hard to measure because it's nothing flat to get against. Now, do you think we can get a caliper in here and actually do a rim measurement? I don't know. Be kind of tight. We'll have a go for it though. Okay, so our 650 looks like around 660. Somebody's going to at least 40 thousandths clipped off the valve guide. So we'll have our seal to retainer clearance. If you didn't do that, then the seal would come up and get friendly with the retainer and go bang, 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 bang into it. Now we do have a little extra clearance here because see the seal can go inside the collar, but that also pumps oil in the damn thing too. Now if you want to know how much clearance you got that way, then you go like this. And you can see how the keeper takes up all that space. Keeper is basically flush within the bottom of the collar there. It might be recessed about 10 thou. Okay, so we're going to have to cut 50 thou minimum off your guide. You got that?
50 thou off the guide.
Minimum.
Minimum.
And the seal will recess into here, because this is the 82 and later style retainer. Now what we didn't do is we didn't check a Harley retainer versus these big thick ones and see if we can gain some clearances. See if anybody has any collars laying around that we can use? There's a genuine Harley collar. Okay, this is 54 thou. That's 52 thou. We're not going to gain much there, are we? 177, 190. Ooh, that makes it even worse. Okay, I like that collar better. We might have some clearance issues if we use this one. We like clearance issues around here. Okay, so what are we going to do now? You forgot already?
Oh, gotta get.
This is about 450. We need to go down to about 400. Got that?
Mm-hmm.
How you gonna do that?
400. I'm gonna watch you. That's how we're gonna do it.
So you're in charge of this thing. Should I use the 80-inch one or should I use a 74-inch one?
80.
It doesn't fit. But it's close. Thinking that's not going to help.
No.
What do you think? So that means we get to use a 74-inch seal and not the 80-inch seal over here. See the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Encapsulates it. This is 5/8, this is 9/16. So we're going to use a 7/6 to 74-inch parts, tools. Where'd my scale go?
That's what it was originally.
Now we need a holding fixture.
Bingo.
Holding fixture.
Mm.
Like that. Cutting oil too. Like all that stuff.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Oh.
Love it. Love it.
We need 2 heads also. This is radius on one side and square on the other. The radius one goes inside the port. Right here. So it gives you a ball. It doesn't hurt anything. So it can flux around. Universal application, see? Professionally made. Just gonna hit it. Alright. What number are we going down to?
4.
For what?
400.
You weren't paying attention, were you?
Yeah, you said it's at 450. We need to go down to 400, right?
Yeah, smart. Don't hit that and that, it might do some damage. some room. See, I got room? You like that?
Some wiggle room.
Look at that can over there, sir.
What?
Garbage.
Oh.
That's a used valve guide. So now we got it cut to 390, I think. Yeah, about 380. I cut down until it just touched the edge.
Excellent.
Think that'll be the same? Look at
Damn
that.
close.
Damn close. About 380 again. A little extra in there. All right. Special tool over here.
Mm-hmm.
Appears to have a bunch of honing oil on it for some reason. Deburr the edge. Like that. Okay. Ready for assembly once you clean them again. Someone got chips all over them. I don't know how that happened. Hey, this one still got valves in it.
Here, I'm gonna go get to work on cleaning that one.
Now we gotta do this again. Same thing.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll be back.